Okay, guys, this is what we got now. I don't know if you. The problem is that the camera isn't good enough to show the real light, proper light. It just show white, but it's actually blue. So as you move your potentiometer now, it's sort of reddish, orange, yellow, and green. Okay. So before I explain the connection, I'm going to bring here some white paper. Now this will show, I'm going to adjust the volume quickly. Okay, so the problem is the camera, as I said. So as you can see from blue, now it's a sort of orangish yellowish, and now it's red and sort of purple pink, and now back to blue. Okay, so this is RGB, which is a red, blue, and green, and it's connected to ESP32 C3, which has got a different pin numbers, but as you can see here, you can see the connection, the blue, the green. I will have the connection, the code, and the explanation how it is connected on the web. So I just want to show you that. See, if you put the paper, you can see it's purple now, but the camera doesn't show the purple. So yeah, this is just to show you how you can. It's yellow now and it's green. The two lighters, one on the ESP32 and an LED RGB with 3 resistors. Just be careful because there is always one long. I'll show you now. It comes like this. Okay, it's got 4 legs, and the long leg, it can be both positive or negative, depending on which kind you have. The other 3 on the, if, as in this case, this is a long one, number 2 from the left is the long one. That means that the last one, the first one here, is it's a red. In my case, it's positive, so you put it on 3 volt. You don't put it on, you don't ground it in this case because it's positive, it's not negative. The second legs. Then you have, obviously, as I put it there, green and then blue. Okay, but if you have, always look at the longer leg. Okay. In any case, thank you very much. You have a good day.